development process was extensive, but the considerable number of dApps thriving within this ecosystem and the expansive community have thrust them into the spotlight. Yet, is this sufficient for a successful blockchain, or must we consider additional factors? In today's video, I'll delve into Cardano. Hello and thank you for watching KryptosChain. I'm Claudio. Established in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson and a co-founder of Ethereum and chairman Michael Parsons, Cardano operates as a layer 1 blockchain. It is designed to serve as an extensive proof-of-stake blockchain specifically tailored for change makers, innovators, and visionaries. Charles founded Cardano with the goal of addressing some perceived limitations and challenges in existing blockchain platforms. Several factors contributed to the creation of Cardano, such as a research-driven approach, scalability, and sustainability, formal verification, inclusivity, and interoperability, philosophical differences, and a long-term vision. Ouroboros stands as the inaugural peer-reviewed and verifiably secure blockchain protocol, and Cardano proudly holds the distinction of being the first blockchain to integrate it. This innovative protocol also ensures its ability to scale sustainably to meet global demands, all the while maintaining a paramount focus on security. Now let's discuss some of the entities that make up Cardano. Emergo is one of the three entities that form the foundation of the Cardano blockchain ecosystem. Emergo, a global blockchain technology company that serves as the commercial arm of Cardano, was established to drive the adoption of Cardano and support businesses and enterprises in integrating blockchain solutions into their operations. Now, the second entity, IOHK, is a technology and engineering firm specializing in developing cryptocurrencies and blockchain for academic institutions, enterprise, and government entities. IOHK is primarily engaged in contracts for the design, development, and maintenance of the Cardano platform. The team is geographically dispersed, ensuring the delivery of top-tier software engineering, adhering to stringent peer-to-peer reviewed scientific standards. Now let's talk about the wallets. Cardano provides ADA holders with a diverse selection of wallets, which includes Typhon Wallet, Flint Wallet, Yoroi Wallet, and Eternal Wallet, offering a comprehensive range of desktop and mobile options. Looking at the Cardano's native cryptocurrency ADA, it serves various purposes. These include paying for transaction fees on the network, engaging in staking for rewards, running a personal stake pool for others to join, and importantly, being utilized for applications and services within the Cardano blockchain. Now, the total supply of ADA is 45 billion coins, and currently just under 35 billion are in circulation, as reported by CoinGecko. Although this occurred a long time ago, it is essential to delve into the tokenomics to understand initial distribution. The ICO received 57.6%, the team was allocated 11.5%, and staking rewards are currently being released, which account for 30.9%. ADA was listed on the open market in September 2017. What's intriguing is the favorable entry points for those who purchased ADA across various public sale tranches from November 2015 to February 2017. Prices range from as low as 0.24 cents to as high as 0.28 cents, notably lower than ADA's all-time low around March of 2020 during the COVID pandemic. The Blockchain Explorer for Cardano reveals that an impressive 22.98 billion is currently staked in pools, with a total of 3,122 pools active at the present time and over 70.6 million transactions. The Cardano ecosystem boasts an extensive size featuring numerous L2 dApps that have emerged since the Goguen upgrade, facilitating the implementation of smart contracts. It encompasses a diverse range of applications, including DEXs, wallets, educational dApps, infrastructure, DeFi, lending and borrowing, launchpads, NFT platforms, and various others. Now looking at the team, Charles Hoskinson, the CEO and co-founder of Cardano, previously held positions as a co-founder of Ethereum and BitShares. Cardano boasts an international team comprising over 400 individuals spanning 50 countries, encompassing diverse specializations ranging from developers and researchers to supporters. Charles has also been very active as a speaker at various conferences, but also by hosting live videos on his YouTube channel. Examining the development plan, Cardano had set to undergo 5 significant phases, commencing with Byron, the foundational phase, and culminating in Voltaire, dedicated to governance. Notably, Goguen marked a pivotal moment introducing smart contracts to Cardano and fostering the proliferation of numerous dApps, as observed in our earlier exploration of the ecosystem. The forthcoming Voltaire phase stands out as particularly intriguing, as it will democratize governance, empowering ADA holders to oversee the treasury. For those familiar with the governance drama in the Cosmos or Polkadot ecosystems, the scale of such drama on Cardano is expected to be substantial given its extensive user base and activity. Now, the outcome may hinge on whether content creators opt to seek funding from the Cardano treasury, because if not, we may not see it unfold. Presently, Cardano is in the Basho era, focusing on enhancing scalability through network upgrades, sidechains, and layer 2 networks. Polkadot has recently shared on X that Cardano intends to leverage the substrate framework, the foundation of Polkadot, for app chains that will subsequently connect back to Cardano. Now, this underscores the significance of interoperability, and Cardano is actively adopting and embracing this essential feature. I discussed the essence of Cardano, yet one aspect that eludes public information pertains to Cardano's initial investors, the venture capitalists, also known as VCs. This query was raised by a community member on the official cryptocurrency Reddit page 2 years ago. Now, according to the comments on that Reddit post, it does seem like Cardano have secured VC funding, presumably from Hong Kong-based VCs. However, the specific names of these VCs remain undisclosed. Therefore, based on available knowledge, we can assume that a substantial portion of the funding originated from public sale rounds. Examining their GitHub, it's evident that the Cardano Foundation boasts 414 followers and approximately 8 active contributors to their repositories. The consistent activities and code commits observed here are undoubtedly positive, especially considering the significance of being a major L1 blockchain. Now let's delve into the challenges. Many blockchains have faced scrutiny from the SEC regarding their classification as securities, and Cardano is no exception. The team's strategy for addressing this and the potential consequences remain uncertain. Notably, content creators who have promoted Cardano persuading individuals to actually purchase the cryptocurrency while residing in the US may face issues if they don't hold a securities license. But the regulatory landscape is currently unclear from that aspect. Beyond the SEC statement, Cardano encountered additional challenges with one of its stablecoin teams named Ardana, building on their platform according to Cointelegraph. Ardana, which was a developing and crypto collateral feature allowing investors to lock up collateral and mint fiat-pegged stablecoins using a US dollar pegged one called DUSD, rug pulled. Now, in that year, they also raised $10 million from investors, but closed shop in November 2022. Citing funding and project timeline uncertainty. To stay updated with the latest news from Cardano on their social media channels, you can follow them on X with the handle @Cardano. They also have a large Telegram group with 23,000 members, which you can find by accessing the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like, as it does help with the algorithm on YouTube and also on X if you're watching this there. I'll see you in the next one.